So usually in hair, moisture and repair do not go hand in hand with volume and body. Usually if you have one, you don't have the other, or vice versa. The problem with a lot of conditioners today is that we color process our hair, we heat style our hair, we need the moisture and the repair, and usually a lot of it. And normally that means it is gonna weigh down your hair, you're not gonna get the volume, your hair is gonna feel heavy, and that's not what we want. My name is Veronica. I'm one of the co-founders here at nvenn Hair and Beauty, and today I'm going to talk to you about Polish. So Polish conditioner is an awesome weightless reparative conditioner that you can use every single day. So this is not a product that you have to worry about over proteinizing the hair, because that can be an issue as well sometimes. This uses microkeratin and hydrolyzed oats that are going to go in and repair right to the cortex of the hair. And then we have a lot of moisturizing properties in this as well. We have organic cold pressed aloe vera juice, we have coconut oil, we have hydrolyzed silk, we have all these great ingredients that are going to go infuse your hair with repair and moisture. And the best thing yet is that it is weightless. So that's a big fear that people have, is that if I'm going to put this conditioner in my hair, it's going to repair it and moisturize it, but my hair is going to be like flat and greasy and heavy. Don't worry about that with this guy, because this is not going to feel heavy in the hair whatsoever. So it's a very simple product to use. What you want to do is, after you've shampooed the hair, you're going to completely wring it out, get off all the excess moisture. You're going to put this product in from, the mid shafts down, and that's where you're going to focus it. You're going to allow this product to sit for 5 minutes. What that's going to do is it's going to allow all the microkeratin and all the great ingredients that are in here to penetrate right to the cortex of the hair. And then you're going to watch your hair come back to life. Okay, so you can rinse your hair out. If your hair needs some extra loving, you could do it a second time if you need, and that's all. So I have my hair already washed. It's just been air drying. I'm gonna blow dry it for you so that you can see what it looks like afterwards. Here's my hair all styled now after the polish conditioner. You can see how nice and light it is in my hair. It's soft, it's touchable, it's not heavy. I have the volume and the body in it, and it just feels amazing. So try this product out for yourself, and the best part yet is that it's risk-free. You'll have a money-back guarantee if you're not happy with your product, so give it a shot. You'll absolutely love it.